Hello, good morning. It is May 20th, doing another weekly update. So, last week I managed to be pretty productive when it came to working on public collections. I made a lot of progress. It is taking a lot longer than I expected. I am vlogging the entire experience of working on public collections, building public collections, and that is taking a lot of additional time. It changes how I work a little bit. I need to be explaining things constantly to the camera. It's fun, I like doing it, but it definitely takes an increased amount of time. And so public collections is taking longer than it would otherwise need to. I am okay with that though. I'm not sure if I will continue to vlog everything that I work on because I don't want everything to be taking this productivity hit and be taking longer than need be, especially for larger projects. Public collections is going to be a pretty big undertaking, and it's already a lot. Vlogging it at the same time just makes it take even longer. I am glad that I'm going to have a really large project recorded, but I don't think I'll need to do this in the future again for huge projects. But we'll see. It's been fun learning how to use OBS and putting up videos and stuff though, so I've enjoyed it. That's been neat. So last week I made a bunch of progress on public collections. This week or next week I will continue to do public collections. My goal is to be code complete. I do have a big backlog of the vlog videos that I need to edit and do diligence on, make sure I'm not accidentally putting secrets in the video or something like that. Everything's taking twice as long because I go and code something and then I need to go and edit the video, which means I have to relive coding that same something again. I can speed up the video to 1.5 or 2 times to make the editing process a little faster and then slow it back down for the real video that I upload. But doing diligence just takes time. This week I am going to hopefully finish public collections. I'm going to do a little bit of editing. I think today is going to be an editing day, not a code day. Take a break from coding, kind of just change it up. But then tomorrow I'll continue coding and try to knock out the rest of public collections. And then after public collections are deployed, I can focus more on editing these last videos, or the remaining videos, of which there are going to be a lot, and then reevaluate from there where my to-do list is at for Linkadex. Again, I have a huge backlog, but every time I finish a big project, I reevaluate the backlog and reassess what I should be doing next. So, yeah. That all said, I'm very proud of where public collections is right now. It's starting to come together and look pretty good. I have finished coding the view page for public collections. So right now you can go to linkadex.com/collection/collection ID, and the collection is displayed. So collections have links, categories, tags, and folders. All of that is working. All of that can be viewed by somebody even if they're logged out, which was a big thing because all of my GraphQL endpoints have been historically behind a logged in user check, and bringing some endpoints out of that was a little bit of a thing. That's definitely not the way you have to build things. It's totally fine to have GraphQL just exposed and then have login checks in other places, but it's not how I did it originally. But anyway, public collections, you can view a public collection by going to that collection's URL. You can see the collection's links, categories, tags, folders. There's it's called a card, Material UI card at the very top that displays the collection's name, description, and the author. And I think it looks pretty good. I do need to do a couple more design passes, but I'm overall really pleased with how this is going. To summarize, last week working on public collections. Next week, still working on public collections, vlogging the whole thing. So it's taking longer than expected, but it's been fun to work on, and I think it's going to be in a really good spot when I do deploy it. And I do think taking the time to vlog a big feature like this is going to be worth it. It'll just be interesting. I think it's interesting. So I am going to continue to spend the time to vlog the rest of public collections, even though it's making public collections take a lot longer, so that I have one very large feature vlogged end to end. I think it's neat. I think it's cool. And I'm having fun doing it. Anyway, that's what I got for this week. Thanks for watching. David out.